Hi friends, it's month of November and next month we have Christmas. So few of my friends, they insisted on making a video to show how to soak fruits for the traditional Christmas cake. So here we go. So here we have different type of fruits. I have just taken 6 different dry fruits and 4 different types of nuts. Then we have dried ginger and orange peel, apricots, kiwi, glazed cherries. Then you have black currants, seedless dates and golden raisins. Here we have walnuts, almonds, cashew nuts and pista. I'll be cutting these fruits with the help of a scissor into small bits because you can't cut it on a board so fine. See how easily we can cut it with the help of a scissor. Okay, next we cut the nuts into fine bits. You can either chop it on the board or you can cut it in the chopper wherein it is finely cut, and these nuts are mixed with the dry fruits well, or you can cut it in a chopper this way. So here we have the different type of nuts which are chopped finely. Each nut is around 100 grams. And the fruits, dried fruits, every fruit is 100 grams except for dates which I have taken 200 grams. These are finely chopped. See the size, how it is cut finely. And then I have dried ginger and orange peel which is 25 grams each. This I'm going to soak it. First I'm going to put everything together and soak it with rum. So finally the fruits are completely soaked in rum. You can see how well it is soaked, and every 2 to 3 days you need to shake it well, or maybe you can use a wooden spoon to mix the fruits because on top it will get dry. In case you feel the fruits are dried on top, you can still keep adding rum. And all those who don't use rum or you don't want to use alcohol can always use some juice. This is juice that has no sugar in it. So next month we bake our Christmas plum cake with these soaked fruits which will be soaked for nearly a month, and that will be my second part of Christmas plum cake baking. Thank you everyone. Do share and subscribe.